we are doing a Pom Pom Rug.
How this thing works, well, it's not really a challenge, but we're going to cut out a big circle cardboard, and we're going to make a bunch of pom-poms out of yarn, because we have a bunch of yarn, we have no idea what to use it for. And we're going to make a bunch of pom-poms and put it in a circle around the rug.
So here is our cutout, and we got yarn. We did cut out some pom-poms just to see what it would look like, so like we just pop them on. And so let's get started.
So while she's making a pom-pom out of this beautiful neon red yarn, it doesn't show that it's neon on the camera though, but it actually is really neon. And I'm going to be making a pom-pom out of this neon pink. It's not neon, it's kind of a pastel thing. And yeah.
So we take the yarn, wrap it around 3 fingers and 40 times, and then we cut it off. Then what we'll do is we'll take a larger piece of yarn and tie it together, tie it real tight together. I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment.
So I have finished my pink thing, and I am going to take this very, very long piece of yarn and thread it through my fingers. Too long.
Okay, so I tied it off with a longer piece. I probably grabbed too much yarn, but whatever. And then what we'll do is we cut these ends to make the pom-pom effect, like this one.
So I think I made mine not as much around, or I made them too long. So maybe next time if I use this yarn again, I will use 2 fingers and wrap it loosely, because this is too long and it looks really weird. I don't know if I'm going to use this one. Let's see. Now I am going to make a green one. It's nice green yarn. This is actually like kind of like forest green. But of course, the camera changed the colors.
So this is what my pom-pom looks like. I think it looks nice. I just need to fluff it up a bit.
So I don't think I wrapped this around enough times, so I am going to try that with the next pom-pom. I am failing at this, even though I made like one of these things before. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so I think that this pom-pom turned out much better. Turns out I was only tying one part of the pom-pom, not the whole entire thing together. So now it looks much more like that, and not like that.
I didn't really film this part, so when you get your loop, you'll start cutting these loops in half, boop, and then that's what makes the pom-pom. Sometimes the strings are longer, so I like to just clip those, make them more even.
They're really fun to dangle. I don't know why. As you can see, these scissors might be different. I don't know why. Okay, so Frances is going to be tying them on.
Well, first we're going to cut some slits into the cardboard, and then we will tie it through. See?
Must be pom-poms.
Here, give me the camera for a moment. So what we do is on the bottom, we cut slits, and then we, oh man, why is this not working? Okay, so on the bottom, we cut slit, and then we tied the big string through it and tie a knot. That way it lays solid like this and won't budge.
And so when she's going to cut slits, we're not going to video this part though. Sorry. Okay, so we're probably going to like put the yellow next to the green. So I'm going to have to tie a longer string onto the yellow, or else we can't tie it on. So let me grab the yellow. Wow. Reach across the whole entire floor.
We can also talk about all kinds of things.
Yeah. Okay, these scissors are not really sharp. I'm gonna borrow these scissors. Perfect. Okay. Just gonna be tying this on. I don't think I put enough string onto it, so I'm gonna have to cut more string, because that's what we have to do in life. Cut string.
That sounds really corny.
It does. Okay.
Fluffy,
Oh my god, waiting on me. Okay. So we got to cut the string. Okay, I'm gonna skip this part because it's really hard to do with one hand while the other hand is holding a camera. So let's go. Okay, so I threaded it, so now it has a dangly thingy, whatever you want to call it. And so there. She is now threading the pom-pom together. I'm going to give this to her because who doesn't love pom-poms?
Pom-poms are so cute.
So this one is trash because that was a mistake. What color do you think I should do next? Right now Francis is hogging all of the colors. So give me the colors. This one might not work so well because it's a really thin string. This one will work. The black was really soft. You guys cannot feel how soft it is, but it is so incredibly soft. And this one might not work because it is also thin. So we're going to have to wrap those ones around more, I think. But I think I'm going to do this black because it's super soft. Let's see how soft it is.
It's not my favorite color.
It's actually really not soft. Yeah, my favorite color is beautiful red, but this looks like orange on the camera. What is Francis's favorite color?
Pink or blue. It depends on my mood.
Okay.
Hi everyone, it's day 2 of our Pom Pom Rug project. You might be wondering where Chloe is. She had to just go do something real quick, so I'm gonna start without her and then she'll come back later and help. We did put like a few more pom-poms on, but we've also been making some pom-poms, so let me get that ready for you so you can see what I mean. Uh-oh. Okay. And, there's, oh dear. Here's some more pom-poms that we gotta put on. Alright, so here is some pom-poms that Chloe made, and we just gotta put them on. I know that they're all the same color, but if we like put them in different spots, it'll look good. You'll see what I mean. So, here's the final product. Yay.
Still leftover pom-poms too.
Yeah, we got a few leftover pom-poms. So, it's like really squishy and fluffy. Squishy is the wrong word. Really fluffy.
That worked much faster than I thought.
Oh yeah, that hot glue gun helps so much. Now, I wonder, they might, and they look like they're holding really well. We had a lot of red because Chloe made a creation in the past using a whole bunch of red. So the carpet has a lot of red.
The main colors I see are actually yellow and black and green.
Oh yeah,
I see red.
I see a whole bunch of black.
Yeah.
Here, you want to hold the camera if you want?
Actually, I'm glad it's done because it took a while.
Oh, it looks like we have a little patch right here.
Yeah, maybe we need to like clip these things. Francis has found a little patch. Oh, great.
Oh no. Hi! This is the end of the video. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing and liking our video. Thank you.
Bye. What's an outro?
An outro is when it's the end of the video and you say,
Oh, I thought you said outro.
oh, no.
Okay, yeah.